Hi everybody, lighting's crappy because it is rainy, cloudy, nasty out. Unfortunately, I still have to power wash my front porch, which is getting painted this week. And it's got like all kinds of like crap on it. And go to the supermarket. But anyway, I wanted to quickly do an unboxing for you guys of the editor's box from FabFitFun. By the way, I have a referral code down below that gives you $100 off. $100, don't I wish? $10 off your first box if you're interested. And they are opening up the add-on choices. In case you've never heard, the add-ons are freaking spectacular. Things that are normally like anywhere from like $20 to $85, $90 will be there for like $5 to $20. It's just amazing. So anyway, I'm going to show you my editor's box. It had this nice little sticker for hashtag FabFitFun on it. And inside, of course, there's like the usual. There's like a HelloFresh. I don't plan to use that probably ever. This, on the other side, has a $10 off code, but you get the same one if you use my referral code. You'll also get $10 off. And a note from them, and the card has everything that's in the box, so I'm not going to look at that yet. And a magazine that talks about all kinds of like happiness related things, I guess. But it's like things that you can get in a FabFitFun, you know, positive, very positive messaging. I really like this. This is more of like how the box is curated, you know, the different choices that we make. And somewhere here I did see one of the items that I already got at some point when I was a member before. But anyway, this more talks about like how this works and, you know, how they've picked their different things they're going to do. So anyway, again, this is the card, and it comes... The next boxes, I think, are still going to come with one of these magazines with all the product information in it. This is just an editor's box, and so therefore it doesn't get that. So anyway, what's in the box? I had a choice. Customization number one was either a beach towel, hanging train case, which is a misnomer because it's really not a true train case. Because a train case is basically, I have a couple of them. At some point I'll show you, but anyway, or sunglasses, and I really didn't need the sunglasses, even though they're $85, but I didn't need them, and I don't really like the shape of those, so I did get the train case. Customization number two was a necklace, a gym bag, or a palette. Now, I need another palette, like I need a hole in the head, but I really didn't want the necklace because I have a ton of jewelry and I didn't want another gym bag. So I went ahead and got the palette. Customization number three. Let's see, what is it? Oh yeah. You had a choice between apple cider vinegar hair mask. To me, this is like a no-brainer. Or Murad Renewing Eye Cream. The price alone is like enough to like be stunning. But anyway, obviously I picked the Renewing Eye Cream. So next customization was number 4, and they picked for me. So I was going to either get a mascara or the cream. And on the other customization, happily they did choose the Ahava. I don't remember picking that, but I think they picked it for me. And then everyone got Summer and Rose Celine Trinket Box and Levita Body Lotion. And, of course, the Way of Will oil. Now that I've joined for a year, after having gotten this, I think I talked about it in another video that I had decided to join FabFitFun again for another year. So this is my Mother's Day gift. And so, of course, I got the train case. I'm not sure I'm going to open this yet. I might use it when I move. I might fill it with makeup and stuff. Okay, and then there's this, has the dish in it. Let me open that. Okay, and so this trinket box also came that has subtle pink color in some of the squares. This, I think, when we move, I'm going to put this on like an entryway table to like hold like keys and odd stuff. So I think it'll be handy for that. The next thing I was very happy to receive was the Tarte Drink of H2O cream. It's the thing that I actually wanted. It's full size, of course. And this is the thing I really wanted. The other choice was mascara. And I haven't, I have enough mascara to last a lifetime. I don't really need this yet, but I am going to go ahead and put a date on it and try it. Then one of my choices was this Murad Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. It actually has retinol in it, and so I think it'll be good for like smoothing out fine lines and stuff. So anyway, very excited to have that. Should take a look at the bottle. It comes in a reverse pump, so yeah, it's very nice, and this I think is going to last a while, so that was a great choice. Then there is this Lavito. Nobody had a choice on this one. I don't know how it is, but it feels nice and full, and it is Hydrate and Nourish body cream, mandarin orange and bergamot, so it must smell really great, but I'm not going to take the seal off yet. Then there is this Dermud foot cream, and this has a plastic seal on it. Oops, and I actually might open this and start using it because my feet are really dry. Then this will be fantastic to have. This is a oil for nails and cuticles, and my nails have been pretty crappy lately, so I'm going to probably put this right in my nightstand and start using it. And finally, the last thing is the palette. Okay, and I'm not sure if I'm going to give this away, so I'm going to leave that protective plastic over the ish word. And this is a very, very nice palette. It looks lighter in the pictures than it is in real life, and one of the pictures is kind of duochrome, so one of the shadows is a little bit on the duochrome, so yeah, I kind of like this palette, so I'm very happy to get this. So anyway, that is everything from my FabFitFun box. This, like I said, is the editor's box. If you're interested, the summer box is coming very, very soon, and if you want to get add-ons, you should probably join as soon as you can. I have a referral code down below that has my discount code for you to get $10 off your first box. Box runs $49.99 per month or $179 plus tax per year. So anyway, that I did go for the year. It does save quite a bit of money. It's 4 times a year. It's a seasonal box, but it has way more stuff in it at a much higher ticket value than most boxes. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and have a beautiful evening. Good night.